here, and I'm doing a special unboxing episode of the new Mini Lalaloopsies. They are from Series 8 and they are called Sew Sleepy. I'm kind of sad because I was only able to find 3 of the 4 available Mini Sew Sleepy Lalaloopsies. I'm missing Peppy Pom Pom. But I will include pictures of her at the end of this video. These minis are number 5, 7, and 8 of Series 8. Number 6 is Peppy. Number 5 is Peanut. Number 7 is Crumbs. And number 8 is Pixie. This is what they look like unboxed. The first one I'm going to look at is Peanut Big Top. This is what her box looks like. This is what the back looks like. Cute little circus theme going on. And this is what Peanut looks like. She has on cute orangey yellow and pink polka dot pajamas. And she comes with a sleeping bag. The sleeping bag says Pop. Again, a popcorn circus theme. Next up is Crumb Sugar Cookie. This is what her box looks like. Cute little room. The back is designed with sugar cookies. She comes with her pet mouse and an adorable pink sleeping bag. It's very soft. This is what she looks like. The back, similar to Peanut. Her head doesn't bobble as much, and her feet do not move as much either. And finally, the last one I have is Pixie Flutters. This is what her box looks like. Cute little fairy theme. The back has mushrooms and flowers. Pixie comes with her pet and an adorable pink sleeping bag. This is what she looks like from the front and the back. And she has a normal bobby head and regular bobbly feet. Overall, I would say these minis are pretty average, but still cute nonetheless. They'd make a perfect addition to your Mini Lalaloopsy collection. And here they are in their sleeping bags, ready for bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And look out for my new videos coming soon, as well as my contest.